Tired of lugging groceries? Imagine never breaking a sweat again while hauling your weekend beach gear or grocery haul. Meet the Favoyard Collapsible Foldable Wagon, your new all-terrain best friend. Picture this. You're at a picnic, your hands are full, and bam! This beauty rolls in with its whopping 360-pound cargo capacity. That's 6 watermelon friendly. Seriously, check out these all-terrain wheels. Whether it's gravel, grass, or sand, they don't care. They glide like a dream. Oh, and brakes for those sneaky downhill slopes. Check. Foldability, it's pure magic. Weighing only 19 pounds, it's like carrying a lightweight backpack. Except, it's a super tough, space-holding beast. Fits in your trunk as if it were a paperclip. Built with alloy steel, this wagon looks sharp. It's strong and unfazed by the elements. Plus, setting it up, so quick. No tools, just a flick of the wrist. Ready for a stress-free adventure? Click the link in the description to grab yours and wave goodbye to heavy lifting. Your back will thank you.